the unprocessed.
This is unprocessed version here.
Okay. I like the way this one feels. I can definitely tell a difference.
Just sample or whatever. This is good. All Remy here. Make out the same material in the other.
But it's unfinished?
Unfinished, yes.
Okay.
Best you can do 5.
Yeah.
Usually 4 or 5.
It's a custom style. Okay. Good there.
Is it thick?
Well, it's just a little thick.
130 degree.
Oh,
already.
130 density. Oh.
Usually people want a thick.
Look like
people,
a wig.
No people want a thin.
When the problem that I'm having in the past is that when my stylist, and I get the wig, when it's human, it's too thick, so she's plucking, taking off.
This is soft material, so it can be shaped.
Use a little power, you can see what's the difference. Feel.
This one doesn't stop till here.
Yeah.
Let me see how this.